The YouTube automation channels you should never launch. Hello YouTubeator. If you're wondering what YouTube automation niche is more profitable, believe us, they are infinite. We have study case videos of channels making millions every single year. We'll leave you a link in the description below. But you must also know what channels to avoid, mostly because some cash cow gurus are still pushing people in the wrong direction. We're talking about quote-unquote Asian niches. You don't get it, right? In easier words, stay away from motivation and meditation channels, especially if you think you're gonna get millions of views by uploading free-reign stock footage and adding some music to it. It certainly worked in the early days of YouTube, but it's not the case anymore. Since the number of channels is growing tremendously, YouTube is becoming pickier and pickier, banning channels with redundant content from the monetization program. Another Asian niche you shouldn't even think about is motivation. While motivational videos are attracting much attention on the platform, the topic remains very tricky. As for meditation, you can easily fall into repetitive content. We always advise YouTubeators to start their journey on a sound basis. Don't try to cheat your way to success. Create your own content and you'll meet success. Steal others' work, even under the Creative Commons license, and your channel will always be in a shaky position. However, there is an angle you can pick to create a successful faceless channel in those niches. Find out how in the video below. Subscribe for more straight-to-the-point information about YouTube automation. I bet you too have a question. Write it down in the comments below, we'll be happy to reply. If you like this short video, you would absolutely love the following one.